Beginner's mind just means open mind, and an open mind means be attentive to others, that they can do, and that will make them happy. As Dalai Lama says, if you want to be successfully selfish, even, that is to say, fulfill your own self-interest of being happy, because everybody wants to be happy and not to suffer, be compassionate to others, because that will make you happy. Overcome this false idea that being compassionate to others will make them oppress you and you'll be a doormat. Instead, being compassionate doesn't necessarily mean cater to every other dumb idea of other people and let them push you around. Being compassionate means do whatever is best in the situation for them, but be more concerned about their reactions, and don't always cut. Because the one truth way in which you really will preserve a sense of dissatisfaction is constantly evaluating how satisfied you are. It'll never be enough. So if you forget about yourself a little bit in situations and think about what other people need, or you'll be much happier. So that's what they can do every day in their life. And that comes from being open-minded and not thinking that something they're gripping in their mind, like what I want out of this, or what I want to get tomorrow, or what I'm doing in this minute, what's in it for me, what about me type of thing. Instead of that, what about them? And then I forgot about me. And then that's the way, because after all, when you have a moment of ecstasy or bliss, what does that mean? That means you're not thinking about whatever else you want.